If you're a coffee enthusiast like me, you know that the secret to a perfect espresso lies not just in the beans or the coffee machine itself but also in the quality of the accessories you use. That's why today, we're diving into the world of espresso with a closer look at the 1624226-000-000 Portafilter Cafe Barista replacement, designed specifically for the Mr. Coffee BVMC CMP 1000 and BVMC EM 7000 DS models. Upon unboxing, the first thing you'll notice is the sleek design of this portafilter. The combination of black and silver not only adds a touch of elegance to your coffee-making setup but also hints at the quality craftsmanship that went into its creation. It's made of aluminum, a material known for its durability and heat conductivity, ensuring that your coffee extraction process is consistent every single time. The importance of a good portafilter can't be overstated. It holds the coffee grounds during the extraction process, and a well-designed portafilter can significantly impact the flavor and quality of your espresso. This particular model features a 51mm basket, which is the ideal size for extracting rich, flavorful espresso shots. The basket shape allows for an even distribution of water through the coffee grounds, ensuring a balanced extraction. But it's not just about the design and material. The performance of this portafilter is where it truly shines. From the moment you lock it into your Mr. Coffee machine, you can feel the snug fit, which is crucial for preventing any water leaks during extraction. The handle is comfortable to hold, and its aluminum alloy construction ensures it stays cool. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.